Got her back in the house. I want to show you this Dynamite Fuse original ESC and speed controller out of a losi tenacity. And there it is, y'all. Little CNHL shorty pack. You see the power this thing punches? That is a 3200 shorty parallel pack. And you see the power it was pushing out there, y'all. This thing is insane. Kicking out some juice. And yeah, this little losi's nuts, dude. What? Get you some, y'all. All right, these ain't even the parallel packs. I'm sorry. Jesus, I'm sitting here telling you it's a parallel pack. These are the other ones I got. The CNHL Blacks. 3200 milliamp little shorty packs. 30C discharge, y'all. And you see how bad this little battery is? This ain't even the shorties. I'm about to charge up one of the shorties now and go back out. I'll put some more video. Hold on, let me charge the other one up. I grabbed the wrong battery. 3200 milliamp CNHL's Black Series. Check them out, boy. Bad to the bone. You see that? It was a bad little dude.